guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to review some of the dustless chalks and give my honest reviews which one I feel the best out of it. So let's get quickly started. So these are the chalk options I have here. Ungo chalk, Apsara chalk, Doms chalk. I'm sure you must be already aware of these three ones, and this is something from a local market which is so let's get started writing with them and see how good they are. Okay, so it seems dust wise I don't see any dust, so what it claims to be dustless, that seems to be very true. So for dust I'll give it a 4.5 or rather 5 on 5 because it seems really dustless. I hardly see any particles coming out of it. For smoothness, I'm not very happy with the smoothness of this one because I have to put a lot of pressure to get the right writing out of it. So it is very hard to write. I'll say it is a 2 on 5. And for writing, as I said, if you see the lines or the letters are coming very light. So again a 2 pointer for this one. If we draw the lines, right, unless I apply more pressure with the light hand, lines are coming very light. So this is a Munyo chalk. Okay, so next we have this is an Apsara chalk. I'm sure most of us had heard of this brand. I personally feel this chalk is okay in what it claims. So dust wise there are few particles. It is not just as good as the previous one in terms of dust because there are some particles which comes out of it. So for dust wise I'll say it is 3.5 because there is dust around it. For smoothness it is okay, definitely better than the previous one. I don't have to apply too much pressure writing it, so I'll say again it is a 3.5 somewhere. Smoothness wise it's doing okay job. And for writing, again this is not very light, not very dark, somewhere midway. So I'll again say it as a 3.5 or maybe at max 4. So this is a decent chalk in terms of all the parameters we are looking here. Dust is less, smoothness is writing is average. So somebody really looking for a dustless chalk which just do the right job, they can consider an Apsara chalk. So let's draw some lines. So I'm applying an okay pressure, average pressure, and lines are coming clean enough. So this is an Apsara chalk. Now let's go to the last one. So here I have a Doms chalk. I am pretty impressed with this chalk. This is my personal favorite. Let me tell you why. So if you see the dust, if I compare all the previous chalks, Apsara and Doms are pretty same on the dust level. So I'll say it is a 3.5 only, same as Apsara. But for smoothness and for writing, this do a really good job. I hardly apply any pressure and it moves really smooth. It gives me a good finesse. So I'll say 4.5. And for writing also, out of the lot we are talking here, this writes the darkest. We can compare it. This is little light, this is medium, and this comes out to be very dark. So I can give it a 5 out of 5 for how it is writing. I'm hardly applying any pressure and see how good lines are coming. So this Doms has become my personal favorite. And yeah, this is not a sponsored video. These are my personal reviews as per what I have shown you. So that's it. There's a thumbs up for Doms chalk from my end. Overall this do a very good job, but it depends. If somebody has a priority for a non-dust chalk, zero dust chalk, they can pick the Munyo chalk, but again you will not get that writing and smoothness. If you are okay to compromise on that, go for it. But if you are someone who can compromise a little dust but you want good writing and smoothness, it should be bright enough. So I think Doms is your chalk. A big thumbs up for me for the Doms chalk. So guys, that's all for the reviews I have. Plus I have added one colored chalk in this review. Reason for adding it, this chalk is being brought up from a local market. It claims to be a dustless chalk, as you can read here, dustless. But does it really do its job as a dustless chalk? I don't believe it. So I'll just show you how this writes. So as you can see, this seems just like a normal dust chalk. There are a lot of dust particles around it. Even there is no finesse in writing because there's a lot of material coming out of it, so it gets spread all around the writing which we are doing. So personally I feel that we should prefer taking one of these branded chalks because pricing wise there's not much difference. So my experience with this chalk is when I opened the box I smelled kerosene oil. So I am not pretty happy with this chalk, so I'll prefer one of the branded chalks in place of such chalks. So okay guys, that's it from me for the chalk reviews. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe, and do put in your comments what are your thoughts and how your experiences. Thanks, we'll catch up in another review.